What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Clout back at it again with another video for y'all boys. It's been a while, man. It's been a while since I dropped a long form video. Not too long, but I say I dropped one within the past week, but it's just been so busy, so much other shit going on. But today is December 24th. Let's see if it's a light. But today is December 24th. It is Christmas Eve. It's currently 11 in the morning. I just woke up. Package got delivered. I believe this is 3 or 4 Canada Gooses. These are the ones that were ordered on December 4th, bro. This is exactly how it came. This how this shit came. I mean, I think it's open because they had to get it through customs. That's the only reason like DH Gate packages really come ripped open like that is because they have to get that shit through customs. But yeah, man. Finna get into this unboxing. These are the black ones with the white and red label. Oh my, I have said this should be 3 of them. It looks like 2 in this pack because they got it wrapped up tight, but it should be 3 of them. I do have like 9 of these joints on the way. I just ordered 2 more in white. I didn't give y'all a video on that. I did that shit like 2 days ago. Excuse me. But yeah, man, we've been working. I'm also waiting on like 10 North Faces too to put that shit in motion. But all these are sold. Like I said, these right here were ordered on December 4th, the day after I sold the first one, the original one. Why it took so long? I'm thinking because one, like I said with the first jacket, it took 10 days. But I'm thinking it took so long either because of the holiday or because I was ordering it back to back to back to back. I actually expected these jackets to come last week. Last week Monday. Today is next week. The week after Tuesday. As far as for my expectations. Yeah, y'all have already seen a review on the blue one, but let me get into this right quick. The island right here is not touching the sun. Yeah, they got it taped up. This is only 2 of them, so when I ordered back to back, the first order that was back to back, they sent me the same tracking number twice, and they shipped it out as like a partial order. So I should be having one more black one and then a white one that has the same tracking number as this one. And yeah, hopefully I would like ordering back to back didn't fuck up too much shit. You feel me? Like confuse anybody or anything, but yeah, they had to ravel this shit up like this. Look up the bag and shit. But yeah, bro. I got 2 larges on hand right now. Kinda has me upset because I know the guy that originally approached me, like I said, when I sold the first one, I had met up with some guy at the or the people who, I'm sorry, it's early as fuck, niggas tired, bro. The people who reached out to me like on the store. I went to the store and then they weren't at the store at the time, but somebody at the store had the money on hand to pay for it. And that's how that transaction went down. So I just gave it to that person. And he FaceTimed them through a call. While at that store, there were 2 more people at that store who were interested in the jackets. They approached me, and there was one guy specifically, the first dude who approached me, he was like really excited about the jacket. And that was the dude who wanted the double X large or the extra large, one of them. But yeah, so I'm waiting on that one to come in. But when he approached me, it was another dude who approached me right after. He was like, I need a large. So they sent the 2 larges in. I had ordered an extra large, a large, and then I just grabbed another large because I was like, why not? Um, but all of them are sold. Like, I gotta hit people up now, try to get them sold. And yeah, we'll see where it goes from there. But I'm dead ass about to sell these today. I'll probably take y'all with me or let y'all know when it's getting sold and shit. Yeah, everything that I was complaining about in the reviews, they fixed. Like I said that the fur, the strings were sticking out of this shit. They fixed it. The patch, bro, and the jacket was already good. Like now they're going crazy, bro. Like they raw as fuck. I ain't gonna lie to you. Got a zipper right here. See, it's double zip. Got buttons. Tag. But yeah, this joint thorough. Still got double sleeve. So yeah, I'm about to tell somebody when somebody come pick this shit up, and then I probably have to wait on the wait to take the large to the shop because I want to have both of them, you know, and I could just make one trip and make that quick bread. What? Well, I'm gonna get this one sold right now. Oh yeah. I'll tap back in with y'all boys. If you haven't seen my Canada Goose review, let me check one more thing. The latch on the hood. Okay, so this the latch. It did come unclipped. Right here. Not a big deal. Canada Goose still has a stamp right there. Embroidery on the metal piece. And yeah, I'm actually finna fix that right quick. Fix it up right quick. Let's see. Alright, bro. That's it though. Yeah, I'm about to get this joint sold. Shit. It's early as hell, I'm tired. I don't know when the other orders are gonna come in. Hopefully they like don't mistake it and they ship that shit out. As far as the double X and the white one, they ship those out together. But bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I got like 30 of these shit sold, and I only got like what's this 1, 2, 7 more on the way, bro. Like just like 30. Like I literally started to put this. I had to put this shit on my notes, bro, because there's so many people hitting me up, and the jacket's like this is only the second batch, and I'm still missing 2 from the second batch. Like I said, the first jacket when it was shipped out, it only took 10 days, and that was including Thanksgiving and a weekend. So it was really only 7 days, bro. Why this took so long, I don't know. They shipped it out fast. Like I'm not blaming my vendor at all. It was just another one of those sitting around at USPS for like 2 weeks, bro. Same thing with the colognes. Like the shit was just near my house for 2 weeks. And it was like last week I had started to go pick that shit up, but I was like every day that it didn't come, I was like, it'll come next day, it'll come next day, it'll come next day. Like honestly, that's how it's starting to get with receiving these packages. I just stay patient type shit. But hopefully if I put like I said, I was ordering back to back, so hopefully if I just, you know, wait to put the biggest order in, like by 20 of these shits at a time, it'll be decent. I did pay $220 for 3 of these, and then cause I ordered 3 black ones, 2 large and 1 extra large, I paid $220 for that batch, and then the next day after I ordered the white one alone, and it was like 78. I do sell one for $350, or it's actually listed at $375, but people be offering $350 and $300 and shit. So I'm probably about to get this one going for like $320, I think. Bro, I got so many orders, bro. Like, I ain't care. I'm really, I gotta get back on my shit. Like, waiting on the packages, the holidays and shit like that, has had me like in a slump, bro. But I gotta get back to it. I did sell the Dyson hair dryer. I did sell one Baccarat Rouge. I got one right there, and I got one in my car somewhere. I'm not about to sell colognes no more. But like the vendor I had never smelled Baccarat Rouge before, and I had met up with somebody, and they was trying to buy it for $100. And, you know, the box came sealed and everything. The box looked amazing, but I had never smelled the real Baccarat Rouge, and I had never opened up the fake one. Actually, I'll probably just do a review on that one right here too. But like I said, y'all won't, in the original video on the review, y'all wouldn't be able to smell that shit through the camera. And I don't know what the real one smells like. But yeah, like I said, I had a meetup with somebody who was trying to buy it for $100. They showed up to the meetup, and everything was cool and shit. And then bro, like, he was like, "Can I smell it?" And the box was sealed, so he was like, "Can I open it?" And then I was like, "Shit, go ahead." You feel me? Like, I wasn't really thinking too much about it. And he opened it up, and he pulled it out. And once he pulled the bottle out, the bottle was leaking. And he like sprayed it like 2-3 times. And the shit, he said it didn't smell right, like it smelled off. And then he showed me like another bottle, which I guess was his, and he said that his was real. And he sprayed it. So that was the first time I had ever smelled it. And I really don't remember what that shit smelled like. I just know that it didn't smell the same as the this shit right here. But somebody ringing my doorbell. I believe it's another package. I do have Christmas gifts on the way as well. So I don't know if it's a package from my vendors or if it's a Christmas gift. Let's go check that out while we're at it. Shit coming back to back to back. That's how I've been waiting. Yeah, it's a little package. I think it's something for Christmas. Yeah. This is a nightlight for one of my siblings. Well, yeah, bro. Look back to the Baccarat Rouge. That's where we at. Shit, nigga been. Oh fuck. I need some water, bro. To the Baccarat Rouge, bro. He smelled it and he was like, "The shit didn't smell the same." And, I smelled both of them, and I could tell like what he was talking about. And then since he opened it up, like, so he didn't end up purchasing it, but since he opened it up, I was like, damn, I might as well spray it and smell it. Like, I might as well spray it. I don't know why my camera just cut off. But I smelled it on the way back to the crib and shit. He said, "Don't touch." Hell nah. But, bro, hell nah. But, I sprayed that shit, and it smelled like straight alcohol, bro. Like, It was 3 bottles. Originally when I had ordered them and I did the review, I could tell like one of the boxes looked a little bit different from the other 2 boxes, and they were all from the same vendor, ordered at the same time and shit. Well, I don't know why the fuck um one of the boxes and shit look different, but I feel like one of them could have been a different fragrance. I'll add this shit review for y'all right quick. But yeah, this is how that shit came. Look just like this. You got the 2.4, got the 70 milliliter, got all the designs and shit. You got the back. You got the box that opens up like this. Boom, pull tab right there. Like everything looks original, right? Even when you get to this part, boom, you got the bottle and everything. Like I said, when he originally pulled it out, he said it was leaking. I smell this shit already. But it smells like when you spray it, it smells like straight alcohol. Like when you first spray it, like I know real colognes use like alcohol and shit. That's just to like keep the skin cleansed and shit, you feel me? Not to overdo it. But like this one smell like straight alcohol, bro. Like, but after it sits for like 30 seconds to a minute, you smell like the smell that they tried to create. It actually smells pretty good. Like it just doesn't smell like what bro sprayed when he had the other bottle. And I don't know if his bottle was real, you feel me? Like he didn't show me a receipt or show me anything, but he just claimed that his was real. But so that's why he didn't agree to buy it. But like I said, I would spray it, but y'all already know like y'all can't smell that shit through the camera, so I just try to give y'all the description. But it smell like cherry, like cough syrup or some shit, like alcohol and like cherry syrup or some shit. I don't know though, but I don't think that's what bro was spraying when he sprayed it. When bro smelled like the one that I have right here smells like hella feminine, you feel me? The other one smelled like it could pass on man and woman. Like it didn't smell like straight feminine. Like I said though, it does smell good, but it's just like if you're going to purchase a specific fragrance, then you're not just paying for anything. So colognes, I'm gonna chill out on that shit. I'm not gonna do that shit again. And it's crazy because fuck, the jacket's taking so long, and I'm really trying to prepare for my next market as far as like what I'm about to sell during spring and summer. Shit, the jackets just took 3 weeks to come. That's like close to a month. I already have them all sold, right? But it's like, shit, tomorrow's Christmas. So anyone, like, it could have been anything else going on with all them people. Like, niggas could have found another jacket. Some people could have needed them for Christmas and shit like that. So I gotta see how that goes. Then I gotta wait till I stack up all that cash from getting all the ones that's supposed to come in sold. Then go put another order in and potentially wait another 3 weeks. So that next order will probably be my last batch of jackets. And winter times, how you capitalize.